Hey guys, today I went somewhere and I got Nightmare Freddy. There he is in the camera. So today I'm going to unbox him. He is from Five Nights at Freddy's 4. And he is from a very popular game, Five Nights at Freddy's. And I'm going to start to unbox it. He is, there are 4 games, the 5 games. So the first one, Five Nights at Freddy's 1, same one, second one, except 2, the same one with the third one, and 4th, and then the 5th one, it's Sister Location. A lot of people know that already, because it came out just, well, a while ago, like last month. So, are you going to take it? Okay. So, here he is, unboxed. Yeah, he's all ripped, torn apart. Not really ripped. I don't think that's the right word. Feet, legs, knees, stomach, arms, face. Mostly his face. Ears. His hat is actually little. It's ripped off. You won't be able to see it. But. And he has sharp teeth. Bow tie. He has also some sharp fingers, I guess I could say that. So that was Nightmare Freddy from Five Nights at Freddy's 4. Please subscribe for more stuff like this, and see you next time. Bye.